10 superfoods to boost your metabolism. Are you looking for a way to naturally speed up your metabolism and burn more calories throughout the day? Then you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll dive into the world of superfoods that can boost your metabolism and help you achieve your health and weight management goals. From nutrient-packed seeds to fiery spices, these foods are not only delicious, but scientifically proven to give your metabolism the extra kick it needs. Stick around until the end, because we'll also share tips on how to incorporate these superfoods into your diet effectively. If you're ready to take your health to the next level, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss our updates. Let's jump in. 1. Green tea. Green tea is often hailed as a metabolism-boosting superstar, and for good reason. It contains catechins, which are powerful antioxidants that can enhance fat burning and improve metabolic function. Studies have shown that drinking green tea can increase your calorie burn by about 3 to 4% over a 24-hour period. The secret lies in its ability to stimulate thermogenesis, the process where your body generates heat and burns calories. To maximize its benefits, aim for 2 to 3 cups of green tea a day. 2. Chili peppers. Feeling a little adventurous? Spicy chili peppers can do more than just add heat to your meals. They contain capsaicin, a compound known to boost metabolism by increasing your body's heat production. Capsaicin also reduces appetite, helping you eat fewer calories overall. Add a dash of chili powder to your soups, stews, or even your scrambled eggs to reap the benefits. 3. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a high-protein food that not only keeps you full, but also helps your body burn more calories. The protein content requires your body to work harder to digest, increasing your metabolic rate. Greek yogurt is also rich in probiotics, which promote gut health, a critical factor in maintaining a healthy metabolism. Choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt and add fresh fruits or honey for flavor. 4. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is more than just a spice for desserts. It helps regulate blood sugar levels and improves insulin sensitivity, preventing fat storage in your body. It's also believed to boost thermogenesis, helping you burn more calories. Sprinkle it on your morning oatmeal, add it to your coffee, or mix it into your smoothie for a metabolism-friendly treat. 5. Eggs. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse. They're packed with high-quality protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins like B12, which plays a key role in converting food into energy. Eating eggs for breakfast has been shown to reduce hunger and keep you full longer, making it easier to maintain a calorie deficit. Opt for boiled, poached, or scrambled eggs to start your day on the right note. 6. Ginger is a root with impressive metabolism-boosting properties. It aids digestion, reduces inflammation, and helps stabilize blood sugar levels. Gingerol, the active compound in ginger, has been shown to increase calorie burn and reduce hunger. Add freshly grated ginger to your tea, smoothies, or stir-fried dishes for a flavorful kick. 7. Berries. Berries like blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries are rich in antioxidants and fiber, which can improve your metabolism and keep your digestive system healthy. Their natural sweetness makes them a perfect substitute for sugary snacks. Additionally, the high water content in berries helps with hydration, which is essential for an efficient metabolism. Enjoy them fresh, in smoothies, or as a topping for your yogurt. 8. Almonds are a great source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Despite their high calorie content, studies show that almonds can boost metabolism and promote fat loss, especially in the abdominal area. The magnesium in almonds also helps regulate blood sugar levels and supports energy production. Snack on a handful of raw almonds or use almond butter as a spread for your whole grain toast. 9. Avocado. Avocado is rich in monounsaturated fats that help improve insulin sensitivity and increase your metabolic rate. Its high fiber content also promotes a feeling of fullness, reducing overall calorie intake. The healthy fats in avocado are essential for hormone production, which plays a critical role in metabolism regulation. Add sliced avocado to your salads, sandwiches, or morning toast for a creamy and satisfying boost. 10. Salmon is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation and improve metabolic health. Omega-3s have been shown to lower levels of fat-storing hormones like cortisol while increasing the production of fat-burning enzymes. Additionally, salmon is an excellent source of protein, which boosts metabolism by requiring more energy to digest. Aim for 2 servings of fatty fish, like salmon per week for optimal benefits. How to incorporate these superfoods into your diet. Now that we've covered the top 10 metabolism-boosting superfoods, you might be wondering how to include them in your daily routine. Start your morning with a green tea latte, a cinnamon-spiced smoothie, or eggs with avocado on whole grain toast. For lunch, toss some chili peppers, ginger, and salmon into a stir-fry. Snack on almonds or a bowl of Greek yogurt with fresh berries in the afternoon. By integrating these superfoods into your meals, you'll naturally boost your metabolism without feeling restricted. Your metabolism is like the engine of your body, and fueling it with the right foods can make all the difference. These 10 superfoods are your allies in boosting metabolism, burning fat, and maintaining a healthy weight. But remember, food is only one piece of the puzzle. Regular exercise, proper hydration, and adequate sleep are equally important. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness content. Turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we upload a new video. Let's keep working towards a healthier, happier life together. See you in the next video.